All right, say it with me. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So I purchased a big old box of PEZ dispensers up at the flea market. And I noticed these, the Incredibles without the masks. Very limited run, hard to find, very desirable. Yeah, that's why I bought the whole box. So I wanted to do this video that I'm doing right here, right now, and show you the differences between the masked Incredibles and the unmasked Incredibles. Well, there you go. That's pretty much the differences. But the video changed. And the reason I'm doing the video now is because of this dispenser here. Now, when I was choosing these dispensers, I sorted out the box. This was the only double. There was two Jack, and I couldn't figure out why. Well, I pulled this one out first, and I saw the black mark, and I said, I don't want to put that in video because this one's perfectly mint. Well, then I started looking at this PEZ dispenser. And I tell everyone, the PEZ book is a YouTube channel, and it shows you PEZ dispensers. Well, I read these PEZ dispensers, and they tell me things, and then I show them here in the PEZ book. See if you can see. Can you see the dust and stuff? A little more light on it. So there's dust there. Around the top of his head, there's some dust in there as well. And then when I opened it up, there's some old nasty candy inside. So I thought, okay, I'm going to go through every dispenser in this box and see if any are like this. And they're not. So, when I look at these Incredibles dispensers, they're quite clean. And it doesn't have the dust and the dirt like this one. So, here is what I think the PEZ are telling me. This was somebody's first or favorite. Even put it up for a long time to gather more dust than any of the other PEZ in the collection. This is a really cool dispenser. And I'm only guessing, but it seems like what I'm guessing may be correct. Dirty. Still has candy in it. Looks a little more worn than the other one. It was the only double in there. I think this may have been somebody's favorite PEZ dispenser. That's really cool. I'm glad I found this one. So here are the unmasked Incredibles. Here are the masked Incredibles. Notice the differences in the face paint. They have masks here, where here they do not. No eyebrows. No eyebrows. Eyebrows. Or eyebrow. And then different color stems as well. But when you do purchase some PEZ, make sure you look at the PEZ. Make sure you read the PEZ. I don't know. Okay, you can stay there for now. So until next time.